In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open a NinjaTrader account. By the end, you'll have your application submitted correctly and know exactly what to expect while you wait for approval. First, sign up. On the NinjaTrader website, click Open Account. On the sign-up screen, type your email address carefully, then continue. You should land on the online application. Keep the browser window open and make sure you have a stable internet connection while you complete the form. Next, select your account type. On the account type page, choose Individual, Joint, IRA, or Business Entity. Click the option that matches how you plan to hold the account. If you're unsure, read the short descriptions shown on the page before you select. Once you've picked the correct type, click Continue to move on. Now, complete the application. Start with your personal details. Type your full legal name exactly as it appears on your government ID, then enter your current residential address. Add your date of birth and any other requested identifiers. Double-check spelling and numbers before you proceed to avoid delays. On the Employment section, select your employment status and enter your employer details if applicable. If not employed, choose the option that accurately reflects your situation. Continue to the Financial Information section and enter your annual income and other requested financial details. This information helps the broker assess suitability. It doesn't affect your ability to apply. Provide honest, accurate estimates where exact numbers aren't available. Next, complete the Trading Experience section. Select your level of experience, the types of products you've traded if asked, and your trading objectives. Answer these as accurately as possible. If a question doesn't apply, choose the closest available option on the form. When each page is complete, click Next to continue. If you see any validation messages, scroll up, correct the highlighted fields, and proceed. Once that's done, verify your identity. On the identity verification step, you'll be prompted to use your phone to scan your ID and take a selfie. Follow the on-screen prompt to switch to your phone. This may be a link sent to your device or a QR code you can scan. On your phone, grant camera permission, then scan the front and back of your government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Hold your phone steady, fill the frame, and avoid glare. Next, take a clear selfie so the system can match your face to the ID. If an image is blurry or cut off, retake it before submitting. When the upload completes, return to your desktop screen if needed. You should see a confirmation that verification was received. From here, review and sign the agreements. Scroll through the risk disclosures and regulatory documents presented on screen. These are standard for opening a brokerage account. Check each required box to confirm you've read them, and use the e-signature field to sign your name. If there's a download option, you can save copies for your records. Make sure every required checkbox and signature line is complete before continuing. If anything is missing, the system will flag it. Scroll back, finish the item, and move forward. At this point, submit your application. You should see an on-screen confirmation that your application has been received. Finally, wait for approval. NinjaTrader will send an email confirmation once your account is reviewed, typically within 1 to 2 business days. Keep an eye on your inbox and also check your spam or junk folder in case the message is filtered there. When the approval email arrives, follow any instructions it contains to access your new account. That's it. Your NinjaTrader account application is submitted, and once you receive the approval email, your account is open and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.